Everything moves, even the fingers. To make my paper art, all you need is four things. The first being paper, of course. Then, all you need is... That's right, that's all you need. I made this Ironman 6 years ago. This does not represent my improved abilities now, but I wanted to show my past work. This is completely made out of paper, and the suit comes off. Enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. It's a small click for you but means the world to my channel. And if you would like to suggest what I should make next, please comment in the section below. See you next time.